Hey friends, if the printer icon is not showing in devices and printers in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Bluetooth and devices tab, select printers and scanners, and the printer should be showing here. If not, obviously you will try to add the device and check for it and scan it and add it. But if it does not work, then what should you do in that case? Now, I know about this situation. In many cases, what happens is that the printer driver is the issue. We think that the system will pick up the printer driver itself, but there are a lot of printers which will require you to install the drivers. So they give a CD, and people ignore this part because these days we don't have CD and DVD drives. So here's what you can do about it. Just search for the brand of your printer, let's say HP, and go or let's say Canon, and then search for printer drivers. Okay, now you can go to Canon's India support, or I mean whichever country it is, and then you can search for the model number of your printer. Okay, wait, we'll search 3012 here. So we use the 3010 series. Simply click on download and install it on your computer. Okay, this is for Canon because I have a Canon printer on my with me. But if you have an HP printer or an Epson printer, then please change accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.